Hello! In this video, we will show you how to clean your NESCAFE Dolce Gusto Lumio. We suggest you perform this cleaning routine at least once a month. Make sure your Lumio is switched off and unplug it. Rinse the water tank with drinking water. Then refill it with drinking water and reinsert it. Remove the drip tray. Separate the grid from the tray. Clean the tray with hot water and a damp sponge cloth. Do the same with the grid. Lift the locking handle. Remove the capsule holder. Clean it with hot water and a damp sponge cloth, or pop it in the dishwasher. Clean the inside of the head with a damp sponge cloth. Take the rinsing tool. It helps drive the water flow during the rinsing process. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can still rinse Lumio. Push down the locking handle. Use a container to collect the water. Plug in Lumio and switch it on by scrolling the selection wheel. While your Lumio warms up, the indicator light on the selection wheel blinks red. When the machine is ready, the power button turns green. Select the 7th bar with the selection wheel. Move the lever to the hot position. Lumio will start rinsing. Once the water flow has stopped, the indicator light blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle at this moment. When the indicator light turns green, the lever automatically returns to the stop position. Remove the container. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for future use. Dry the inside of the head with a soft cloth. Dry the capsule holder and reinsert it. Push down the locking handle. Use a soft cloth to clean the machine and not a wet sponge. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Lumio.